Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening Taskbar settings so you can change icon size and layout. Right-click an empty area on the taskbar, select Taskbar settings, and the Settings app opens. Once done, make sure you're in the Personalization taskbar section. You need no extra software. Windows provides the controls. You should also confirm your display scaling and resolution are standard, since scaling affects icon appearance. Now that settings is open, move to the Taskbar Behaviors area to find the small icon option. You'll change the actual icon size by expanding Taskbar Behaviors and choosing the smaller option. In Windows 11, toggle the setting labeled Small Taskbar Buttons or select a compact mode if available. This reduces icon footprint and spacing. Make sure to also adjust Combine Buttons and icon labels so the bar looks tidy. If icons still seem large, check Display Scale and set 100% or 125% as appropriate, since scaling overrides icon sizing. Once set, review the taskbar visually. Finish by confirming the new layout across multiple monitors and app states, since some apps cache icons. If changes don't apply, restart Explorer. EXE from Task Manager. Select Windows Explorer and click Restart. This forces the taskbar to redraw. Make sure to sign out and back in if you still see inconsistencies. If the taskbar breaks or icons overlap, revert scale settings or run Windows Update to get UI fixes. One key troubleshooting tip: restarting Explorer resolves most appearance hiccups immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.